I'm Andrew Watson from JWK Precision Engineering in Portadown, Northern Ireland here. And the company's a CNC milling specialist and manufacturer, and we produce a range of different parts of different sizes, different materials for mainly the aerospace industry and commercial customers in Northern Ireland and the UK and further afield. And the reason we approached InvestNI was because we had some lean theologies and lean principles that we wanted to embed within the company to get better utilisation out of machines, to improve our workforce and upskill them, and to get them thinking in a lean way, and to add more value to our process and ultimately add more value to the customer.
For JWK, the key element we focused in on there was helping them to progress towards their SC21 certification process, which is a supply chain excellence program inside the aerospace sector. Key constraints we looked at was how to improve the production skills in relation to lean thinking. So I conducted training sessions with the team, helped them implement some projects around setup, reduction and visual management on the factory floor. The end result for JWK has been them successfully achieving silver accreditation for SC21, which is the second organisation in Northern Ireland to achieve that accreditation.
Having the SC21 award has helped us differentiate ourselves from other competitors in the marketplace, and it's helped us to add more value to the customer and to make sure that the fundamentals of delivery and quality are there for them. The changes that we implemented and the path that we chose to go down involved all within the company. It involved everybody buying into it and understanding it, and really taking it upon them to make improvements in their own cells and their own areas. That could have been a very small, simple change, going up to managerial changes that affected everybody in the company. We have seen a lot of improvements on the shop floor and in our engineering team, where we've been able to reduce cycle times and improve machine OEE times and machine utilisation, where we've been able to improve product flow throughout the company as well, and overall improve our employees' skills and make the company leaner.
It has been a successful process. They have significantly expanded their throughput over the last couple of years, and they've just announced some tremendous growth plans over the next few years.
Working with the productivity improvement team was straightforward. We were able to schedule meetings with them right from the off, and they were able to come visit us on site. We plan to keep the activity with the improvement team at a high level, as we have a company aims to go for gold in SC21, and they will be with us and help to plan that. Other InvestNI programs that we've used is mainly towards grant funding and the like, which will see us further develop the plant here with an extension, and also bring in new machinery and new capacity and new capabilities to the company to further enhance what we have here.